Here's a tutorial on to make how to add your player model into your Unity fan game. So first, you want to click. You should already have Photon. I'm not making a tutorial on how to get it. You gotta do it yourself. You go to Resources, Photon, Player, and then you could add your player model right here. I'm taking mine out. If it's not textured, you need to texture it. Then you gotta scale it down. Then you gotta like bring it up. Yours should be like where mine is, unless you moved your stuff. So scale it a little. Make it so only a little is showing. Okay, so now that it's like that, it goes to VR hand, then hold control and then click the other VR hand. And then what you want to do, okay, I did not mean to do that. Hold control, click the both VR hands, VR body, and the VR head. Then you can turn off mesh render, or you can just click this. I'm turning off mesh render. Now that I've done that, what you can do now is make sure, go to Windows, and go to Package Manager. I'm scaling mine down. Go to Unity Registry, click this, okay, and search up ANI, or you can just search up ANI, and then you'll see this. You want to click install, or whatever it says there. You don't gotta do any of that stuff. Okay, now that you've done that, you want to move your player model. That should be at the bottom, and then you want to move it to head. Now that you've done that, you should have rigged it. Then you click armature, or whatever he's when you then click. There should be an animation rigging thingy right here. You want to click bone render setup, and then it should show this. Yours shouldn't look like a spider. This is how I made mine. Yours should be like normal. It just shows stuff. Not look like a spider. Now that I've done that, let me just click. You can click animation rigging again, and then click rig setup. Wait. No, click Control Z. Wait, no. Okay. Click your player model and then click rig set. God. Rig setup. And now that you've done that, click the rig 1. Then right click it or double. What the heck? Double tap it. Then click create empty. It should be under it. What the heck? Okay. Name this left. And then you wanna Then you wanna just hold control, then click D, and you rename it to right. I'm making mine's capital. You don't have to, I don't think. Then you can hold control and click both of them, and then search up 2 or just 2 bone. It doesn't matter really. Then you wanna do that, and then both should have it. They don't do it for each one. And now that you've done that, you can do the same thing, but like left and right should be there. Then you wanna right click the 2 bone IK. The 2 bone. What the heck? Okay, this 2 bone IK constraint. You wanna right click it and then auto set up from tip transform. You wanna click that. And then yours should be like that. Then this red thing should show up. Then what you want to do right after you've done that, you want to open your amateur, and this don't mind this stuff. I named this tummy. Don't ask why. Okay, go go to your shoulders if you named it that. Upper arm, lower arm, and then do that until you get to your hands. Then for your left hand, you want to put at the tip. You want to put your left hand right there, and then you want to put the lower arm on mid, and then put the upper arm on root, and then make this rotation, and then make sure it's the left. Okay, now you do the same thing for right, except you just make it right. Okay, so upper arm right, lower arm, and then your hands right here, and make it rotation. And now that you've done that, you can click the arrow and then drop it down, and then for both left and right, you'll see left target. You want to put the left target into your left hand. Put it on your left hand. And then your left target shouldn't be there. And put your right target into the right. Yours shouldn't be like, what the heck? Okay, yours shouldn't be like that. Hold on, give me 1 second. Okay, once you've added the left target to the left hand, if it's still there, please delete it. And then if that, okay, put your right target, and okay, now it should be like this. Now that you've done that, you can go, you can play test it, but since I'm recording off of like the Windows, the one it offers me, I don't know. Okay, it should work, but since I'm not using OBS, I can't do it, but it should work. I don't know why it won't let me. Okay, now that you've done that, you can, I'm gonna try doing this from player. Yeah, your stuff should be like this. You see your neck right there? You can rotate it. Make sure it's like that, and then yeah, that's how to add your player model there. Subscribe or else I'll eat all your Cheerios. Bye bye.